Hi. Welcome to our latest video on CryptoTab. For those of you who are new to CryptoTab, it's a web browser that allows you to use your computer to mine Bitcoin. You can earn a passive income daily by leaving your computer on and earning profits. In this video, we will show you our withdrawal proof. Currently, CryptoTab is still going strong and consistently paying its customers. You will see that our balance is $103. We will be withdrawing that now. At the top right of the screen, we will click on the settings menu. We then will click on withdraw BTC. Before we can proceed, a confirmation email gets sent. We must click on confirm withdrawal. We are now all set. Our withdrawal is confirmed. We have to wait 24 hours for the payout to reach our wallet. We will resume the video once that has happened. A few hours later and our withdrawal has successfully reached our wallet. You can see that the balance has been updated. We will head over to payment history to show you the updated status. The confirmed status is now changed to complete. Getting started is easy. No investment is required. All you need is your computer to start earning right away. To speed up your earning potential, you will need to get referrals. The larger your referral network, the faster you will earn more Bitcoin. We have a full comprehensive guide on how to earn more referrals. You can find that guide in the description box below. CryptoTab also makes it easier for you to grow your network by providing you with graphics, videos, landing pages, and more. To get started with CryptoTab, click the link in the description box below. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.